String beans. String beans. Summer's on the way. We're in Quebec, Montreal. And I have a beautiful little recipe with this. We're gonna do a string bean salad. Welcome to my kitchen. Let's get cooking. First things first, I'm eating string beans as I'm talking. Earlier, I was smoking it, you know. Has a little sweetness to it. Don't overdo it, people. You can buy fresh string beans and cook it yourself. I'm using frozen string beans. I rinsed it, I put it in a bowl. It's nice, it's sweet, it's cooked, everything's fine in the world. We're gonna start by doing a white balsamic vinaigrette. So in a bowl, let's put about 2 tablespoons of vinegar with a little spoon of honey, Yes, perfect. All right. We're gonna whisk that together. We're gonna make a simple white balsamic vinaigrette to put in that string bean salad. So let's emulsify this with some olive oil. Some salt. And some pepper. If you say, oh my God, it's too much salt, don't worry about it. It's a lot of string beans. So now this beautiful vinaigrette is nice and thickened. Let's put it aside. So we're gonna cut our nectarines. Okay, I have salt everywhere. So let's do the nectarines. All right, we're so tired this afternoon. I love it. I love it. So let's do some nice long slices of nectarine. You kind of want to mimic the length of the string beans when you're doing it. And here we go. All right, I think one is fine. Let's put it in here. And what I want to do before I continue with the other steps is to actually stir it within the vinaigrette. The vinaigrette is gonna prevent the nectarines from oxidizing. So it's gonna keep its color. And then now we're gonna grate some garlic, some beautiful fresh Quebec garlic. Just a little bit. And then some lemon zest. Beautiful. And then we're gonna chop up some French shallots. This recipe is so simple. And you could easily eat it as is or serve it with a nice piece of steak, fish, salmon, duck, pork. It's very versatile. Beautiful. And now we're gonna add the string beans in there. What I like to do is about 1 part of string beans and half of nectarine, just to give you an idea of, you know, the ratio of nectarine versus string beans. And then now, once this is mixed, you could add dried apricots or dried mango. I'm using cranberries. Let's put it in there. It's gonna give it some nice sweetness, some nice bite to it. And then some nuts, any nuts you want. I'm using some pumpkin seeds for some crunch. And that's it. That's all it is. That's all it needs. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and chop some parsley for some of that earthiness, freshness, goodness. Rough chop the parsley. Voila. And that's it. You want to give it a little taste to see if it needs more salt or more vinegar. That's it. Needs more salt. Beautiful. Maybe a little touch more vinegar. Voila. Simple as that. This recipe is so fresh and vibrant and fast and easy to do. Let's serve it up. Voila. And then to finish it, we can put some goat cheese on top. Beautiful. Doesn't it look amazing? And it took what? 5 minutes to do? It's so simple. Nice and easy, simple recipe. Sometimes you don't need that overcomplicated, dish. Simple usually goes a long way. A little bit more crunch. Voila. There it is. So I'm gonna clean up and then we're gonna have a little taste test. Taste test time. Let's take a bit of goat cheese, a little bit of nectarine. That was the name, right? Nectarine? Okay. Nectarine, some cranberries, and it's just perfect. The flavors, the balance, the crunchiness. The string beans frozen. Just put it in the water, thawed out. It gives you that perfect texture. You're done? Okay, it's done. The oven was jealous. So, having this, I would see myself eating this with duck and just enjoying. This is what life is about. This is what life is all about. Having some fresh, healthy, simply made food. I just had a pop of parsley in my mouth. This is great. Enjoy. Please try this recipe. If you do, let me know in the comments. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Share. Bon appétit, everyone. See you soon.